In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to send Amazon gift voucher by email. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to send an e-gift voucher to someone by using their email. I'm still gonna talk about what to do if you purchased a physical Amazon gift card. However, if you still haven't purchased it, I believe that this is going to be the best way to surprise someone by sending them a gift card on their email. So to do this, open Amazon through a web browser on your computer, or you can also do this through a smartphone. Simply open the application, and what you have to do is look for gift card. When you look for gift card, you will have the Amazon official gift card listed, and you will notice that you can send them by instant email or text delivery. So this is why I recommended doing it through their own store here. When you go over to any of these, you will find the option to send them by email. And when the person receives it, they will be able to redeem it on their Amazon account. You will have plenty of different designs, so you have seasonal, Amazon appreciation, celebration, and you can choose whichever one you want to send. Some of them are going to be animated. You can watch the video here if you would like to see how they look. And once you have selected the specific one that you want to send, you enter the amount of the gift card, so it is customizable between $5 all the way up to $2,000. And once you enter the amount here, you will be able to proceed. Make sure that you select email as the delivery method. And all that you have to do now is type the email for each recipient. So for example, recipient1@gmail.com. If you only have one recipient, then this should be fine. However, if you have multiple people that you will be sending gift cards to, you can include multiple at once. So you include the first email, and then you can separate them using a comma or by doing a space. So recipient1@gmail.com, space recipient2@gmail.com, then space recipient3, and so on. You will notice that it automatically updates. So now it automatically updated to 3 gift cards because I included 3 email addresses. You include the message, customize it if you wish, your name, and then the delivery date. Once everything looks okay, you can add to cart and proceed to checkout. There is no secret to this. And they will receive an email with the custom message, your name, and so on. Now, if you bought a physical gift card, the best thing to do would be to write an email. So you open your preferred email services like Gmail, Hotmail, Outlook, and in there you simply type out your message and manually include the Amazon gift voucher. I hope I was able to help you on how to send Amazon gift voucher by email. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.